What's up everyone? Today we'll be making a famous dish called black pepper chicken karahi. So let's start then. We'll start adding chicken pieces to the oil. We'll be adding about 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt, but you can add as per your taste. We are frying the chicken on high flame. Next, we'll add 10 to 12 sliced garlic cloves in it. We'll keep on stir frying until the chicken starts to change its colour. After adding garlic cloves, we'll add about 2 to 3 inch sliced ginger piece and stir fry it on high flame. Now we'll add 4 large sliced tomatoes to the wok while it's on low flame. Next, we'll put a lid on and let the tomatoes blanch for 10 to 12 minutes. Now the tomatoes have softened, we'll remove the lid and peel of the skin of blanched tomatoes. After that, we'll mash the tomatoes thoroughly to make the gravy for the chicken. When the gravy is done and oil separates, we'll add 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. We'll garnish it with some fresh coriander and some finely chopped ginger. And there we have it, juicy and tender black pepper chicken karahi. You can serve it with rice or any other combination you like. And the karahi is ready to enjoy. If this recipe helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing.